Alright guys, finally got all my parts in today. Memory. Got the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo for the CPU cooler. And this thing literally just barely fits in this case. You'll see here in a minute. Zotac GeForce GTX 970. So, let's start with probably the memory. So we can get that all situated. Probably should stand this down. Put you guys way back up here. Probably won't stay. Now imagine they want you to put them in these slots over here. Okay, only on these newer X99 boards, only these two pieces here flip over, which you cannot see. Yeah, only two of them flip over. Or just one side anyway. They're kind of a pain to get in. Alright, those are in. Now hopefully this doesn't interfere with the memory. And no, it does not. So that's good. If I put it this way, it probably will. No, that board actually has a lot of room. But as you can see, that thing stands pretty tall. Yeah. I was wanting to swap this fan over though. So I wanted to draw air through the heatsink, not push it through. It's a lot better to draw it through than it is to push it through. Huh, well those are riveted together. Well, that sucks. Well, we'll just leave it the way it is. We'd have to pretty much break it just to get it off. Can't believe they would design it like that. So we'll just have it push air through here and then out the back of the case where that fan's going to be drawing it. Yeah, that'll work. First we got to put the adapters in. They give you some for LGA 2011, different adapters. That's kind of stuck. Arctic Silver 5 is what I'm using. And this is where it's going to get kind of tricky. This has got to fit just in just a certain way. Oh, ain't that nice? You gotta take the fan off just to. Oh well. Alright. That wasn't too bad. I thought it was gonna be a little worse than that. Alright, not too bad. You can see the paste almost starting to seep out the sides, so cool. Install our fan. Well, it does move a little bit, but it has like a little locking thing down in there. There's one of them 4-pin connectors, and it goes way back in here. I'm kind of tuck these wires up out of the way. I might zip tie them to something. This will work right here. Now I think we just got the graphics card put in. Should have unboxed all these before I started. Uh-oh. This heat sink. Okay. No, that heat sink may actually be in the way. I'm not sure. I'll get back to you here in a minute. Alright, well, I got it in. Turns out I had it in the wrong slot. I was trying to put it way up here. But, yeah, I had to take out another one of these bracket pieces to install it one down. So that's all installed. Now we got to install our this particular graphics card, the Zotac version of the GTX 970, takes the 6-pin connectors instead of the 8. So we won't have to use the 8-pin connectors or the extra to add in 2-pin. So and I'll probably zip tie these and make them look a little nicer. So then our fan connectors here. That's like the last thing. That one's way over here. Yep, gonna have to do a lot of zip tying. Alright, well, this is how it looks with the lid installed, side cover. And it pretty much only has maybe 1/8 of an inch of clearance from hitting the side here. But I can't install the second fan up here because the heat sink is too huge. Which that doesn't matter because this heat sink is really good at cooling off this processor. I'm really glad I got the Hyper 212 Evo because you can have 2 different fans on each side blowing air through. So I just ordered a couple more fans and I'm going to put one right here. Well, another one anyway. Get this side cover off. I'll show you what it looks like now since I got everything tucked away. Yeah. I got these zip tied here. This fan here plugs into this, into a Molex connector, and yeah, that kind of sucks right there, but it's just going to have to be like that until I get a second fan to put up in the top, which I've already ordered. So I'm going to have one extra fan here and then one extra up top here. So yeah, it's finished. I mean, I've had it on and installed Windows and it runs perfectly fine. So yep, Oh, I did have to, I knew I was forgetting something. I did have to flip that hard drive activity light LED around because it didn't light up, and it's supposed to light up right here. I do believe. Yeah. So, and I put these little case stickers on here. Zotac, pushing the limits. And then I got the ASROCK sticker for the motherboard, and then for the CPU. Yeah. So, I just gotta install 2 more fans and then it'll be finished.